Two popular money tools, one big question, which one actually helps you keep more cash? On the left, Tiller Money, known for its customizable spreadsheets, and on the right, Empower, with automated tracking and investment features. We're testing them on real-life tasks people care about. Budgeting, automation, cost, usability, security, and more. Let's ignore the hype and focus on where each platform really shines. Every category gets a score, and we'll reveal which service truly comes out ahead. Trust us, you might be surprised by the winner. Let's get into it. So here's how we're going to compare these two. We'll look at pricing, customization options, how well each one connects to your accounts, the user experience, reporting and insights, and, of course, privacy. Let's jump into it. Let's kick it off with pricing. Now, Empower gets a big nod here because it's free for most features. Yeah, you heard right. No subscription required unless you want their deeper retirement tools. Tiller, on the other hand, well, you're looking at $79 a year after a 30-day free trial, nothing hidden, but yeah, it's paid. Honestly, if you want to just try things out, Empower's probably a safer bet. But if you're okay dropping a little cash for spreadsheets, Tiller's not crazy expensive. Still, gotta hand this round to Empower. Now, onto customization. And oh man, if you geek out over spreadsheets, Tiller is basically your playground. You get full control with either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, and it pulls in your transactions automatically. Super flexible. But you do need to know your way around a spreadsheet, which can be a little intimidating if you're just starting. Empower is way more out of the box. It looks nice, sets up fast, but you're locked into their way of doing things. So, for the DIYers, Tiller's the clear winner here. When it comes to connectivity, honestly, both are pretty solid. Tiller connects to a ton of banks and even works with both Google and Excel. Empower does a great job linking up most major US accounts and, bonus, it automatically categorizes things for you. But let's be real, sometimes they both have hiccups. Maybe a smaller bank doesn't sync or transactions lag a bit. So it's pretty much a toss-up in this department. You won't see a big difference unless you have super obscure accounts. Oh, and here's something cool, did you know? The first online budgeting tool actually launched way back in 1996. Wild, right? We've come a long way. Alright, user experience. This is where things get interesting. If you love the freedom that comes with spreadsheets, or maybe you're allergic to pretty interfaces, Tiller is a dream. But, there's a catch. No mobile app. Ouch. Empower, though, totally leans into that modern web mobile vibe. Super visual, very beginner friendly, and honestly it just feels more approachable, especially on your phone. So for most people, Empower definitely takes this round. Now, let's talk about reporting and insights. If you want to build custom formulas or track literally anything, Tiller's got you covered. There's a template for just about everything. But you'll need to do some manual setup for deeper analytics. Empower, meanwhile, is kind of genius if you care about tracking your net worth or investments. They just do it for you, no fuss, and even toss in some retirement projections. Not as customizable, sure, but super convenient. These both have real strengths here, so honestly, I'm calling it a tie. On to privacy, and this one matters. With Tiller, your data stays in your own spreadsheet. No ads, no weird upsells, just your data, your terms. Although, yeah, you still need to connect your bank accounts. Empower? It's a reputable company, uses strong encryption and all that, but your info is living on their servers, not yours. If you're cautious about where your data sits, Tiller takes it here. So, before I give you my final take, you can see on this radar chart how these two stack up across everything, from price to privacy. There's definitely no total knockout, but certain categories really set each apart. Alright, so what's the bottom line? If you're a spreadsheet power user, seriously, Tiller is going to make you feel right at home. Endless customization, your data stays with you, and it's just super flexible. But if you hate spreadsheets or want everything done for you, honestly, Empower is just ridiculously convenient and it's free. For most people, that's a pretty hard combo to beat. In the end, Empower edges ahead for its accessibility and all those free features. If this saved you time or helped you pick your next money tool, follow along, so you always know how to keep your finances in